Warning, do not attempt what you are about to see in this video. This is performed by a highly trained professional called Scornado! What's up guys, Scornado here, and today we are going to make an epic bottle explosion. Do not try this at home. I am a highly trained professional. Let's do this. The main objective of this is to explode this bottle. What it will be doing is, it'll have a cap on. I'm putting bicarbonate soda and vinegar in this. I'll drop it on the cap, it'll make a massive explosion. Don't try this at home. I made a homemade shield that will protect me from everything. Even if it's cheap cardboard, it'll still protect me. Let's do this. Alright guys, so test number 521. Another bottle right here. Let's do this. The baking soda and a piece of paper like here. Put it right directly in the bottle. Oh! What? What the heck? That was awesome! Guys, so we're gonna explode this vinegar thing again.
It's alright. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody to it.
Whoa!
Oh, that was
What the heck? Oh god. Oh god. It flew into the other neighborhood.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day.
the same bottle.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, that was
What the
weird.
heck? Oh god. Oh god. What's up guys, looks like that experiment was a complete success. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. Get this video 20 likes, I'll make a video smashing 3 of them at myself. I'll see you guys later. Stay sharp.